Hi, Joseph.
Hi, Tracy.
This is Tracy Waidera, a marketing and brand strategist. Now, there's a huge shift in the digital marketing. There is the old way of marketing and the new way. Tell us about the new way and how to adapt.
Marketing and old way, new way. I think let's go old way. Old way is you there's many people involved. That's first thing. There's creative director, there's designer, there's a designer for different things, website, graphics, there's video editing and all these things. And also the tools that we've been using. There's Adobe, there's the old Canva and all these things. New way, it's dominantly AI, which means it's the chat interface. And it's using tools like Ndovesha, Cloud, Gemini, ChatGPT, and so many others.
When you mention Ndovesha, how do we use Ndovesha now in the new forms of marketing?
In the new forms of marketing, you can create websites, you can create flyers, logos, social media posts, images, videos. It's your design tool. In fact, what we normally say, design at the speed of thought, because everything there takes less than probably maximum 4 minutes.
Design at a speed of thought?
Yeah.
Okay. So now that means speed is gonna be main thing in the transitioning of digital marketing.
Yeah, speed is key, and because as they say, time is money. I know that sounds cliche, but it's a fact, and it's what it is. When you run a business, when you're slow, it's actually a big disadvantage. They say your mistakes get forgiven by speed. So when you move quickly, in fact, the mistakes then don't even affect you because you're able to correct. Number two, being slow raises costs. I know you said the old way, actually. The old way is characterized by high costs too. And it's because when you have this many people handling each different things, then the costs just tend to accumulate so the cost centers are many in people, in managing those relationships, and in paying all of them, and in the slowness of coordinating all those people.
Now that's brilliant. So that means with Ndovesha AI, the things that we used to use like a week, 1 month for me to create, I'm able to do that within minutes.
Within minutes, and this is not an exaggeration. It's within minutes. For example, you can do a website in literally 5 minutes.
So now what's the difference then between Ndovesha AI and an LLM like ChatGPT?
LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, and others are generalized. Means they don't have specific tasks that they can do very well, but they can do everything. They can give you ideas. But they can work well when you now extend them to other tools. So for Ndovesha, what we've done and what makes you very productive is it's very specialized. The agents are very specialized. If it's a flyer agent, it just generates a flyer. If it's a website, generates a website and gives you all the capabilities that our website needs, which is custom domain and all these things. You can connect all that, SEO. So it comes packaged for specific task, which is web design. If it's flyer, it's just flyer. If it's a logo, it just designs the logo. Yeah.
Then do you think that SMEs and brands in our country, or mostly Africa, are ready for this digital marketing transition? And how are they adapting?
I think that's both yes and no. Some are ready, some are still need a bit of change their mindset, or they need to be educated, they need to be made aware. But we have a good number of them which we are working with. So some are ready, some are not. So for the ones who have not embraced this, we would encourage them to embrace these. Otherwise, they are missing out big on the opportunities and the advantages that AI provides, which is, as we've said, speed, bringing down costs, yeah, and just so much more.
So the main question would be, it's either you adapt or you're left behind, because marketing has really shifted. Over the last 5 years, I think everything that we knew about digital marketing, brand influencing, how to push a brand or even position your brand, all of it has been swept away. And now we are like kind of picking in everyday new strategies and new ways of working. Yeah. So it means for companies that are stuck in the old ways of marketing, they are still going to be using loads of money, more time, and yet they would have been probably more effective with just using the tools that right now are there, like Ndovesha AI. Now, for someone who does not know Ndovesha AI out there, what would you tell them it helps them with in like just a simple sentence, and why they should have Ndovesha AI in their lives?
Okay. It helps them with design affordably and timely. Get your marketing social media posts quickly and timely and affordably. Get your website without needing to go back and forth with a designer to maintain it, to do whatever, all those friction points. That's one thing actually we observed in the market a lot. Every client we worked with around web design had a web designer was frustrating them. So we have removed that with Ndovesha. So you don't need a web designer who frustrates you. You just need Ndovesha, which is a robot, which is intelligent, which will not frustrate you. And we are always there on support in case something is not working. So yeah, I don't know if I cannot overemphasize the fact that the efficiencies you gain using Ndovesha AI are just enormous.
Yeah.
And like there are brands which we have their websites that are already live using Ndovesha AI. There's one we launched within the same day, and they got clients the same day.
Wow.
There's a business we've just started their social media pages, and now they are able to get content going. The brand we positioned, they were able to create a logo and everything. So your brand gets an identity and also gets constant execution, which is very important. Yeah.
That's great. Now, the last question is, people are saying that AI brings or builds generic stuff. This is like, it just builds things that are just meh, they are not conversational. What makes Ndovesha AI different?
So we've, as I've said, like, for example, for the web design, we've been web designers ourselves. We've done flyers, we've done, social media posts, we've done logos, we've done brand identity, we've done all these things. So we know exactly how we needed to configure this AI to give you exactly what's real.
So it has the ideas of a design, colors. It won't just give me kikitu kimeja maneno.
No. It's in fact, I just say go sign up and try it. We have free credits, and the proof of pudding is in the eating. It gives you assets that are ready to use. You don't need to go back and forth with it. Once you give it a good prompt, all the details, it just gets you the final flyer, logo, website, landing page that you need.
You've heard from Joseph that Ndovesha AI is now the future of marketing and advertising. Now, go sign up and check it out.
And just to add, this is Kenyan made by us. We are the developers and my team here. And a lot of people don't believe this is media in Kenya. So, guys, support local. We can support Bazi. We can support
local creatives.
Tunaweza enda far.
It's a Silicon Valley and African. Yeah. Then to grow.
Yeah. So that's it for today. Thank you for
You're welcome. Make sure you sign up at Ndovesha AI and go check it out and try and create something. The only way you can be able to be very sure that something is working, it's only you take an action. Doge the enda, enda, sign up.